Well, from that movie, D23, please welcome Sadie Sink.
Hello, D23. It is so wonderful to be here and to finally be able to talk about this character after months of speculation.
And we're not actually here to talk about Spider-Man. Not Spider-Man.
That's right, we are here to talk about something else. We're here to talk about the X-Men.
Ladies and gentlemen, the director of X-Men, Jake Schreier.
Hi, D23. So happy to be here, to be working on X-Men. Sadie, of course, plays Jean Grey, founding member of the X-Men. We will follow her story into an all-new version of the saga coming to theaters May 5th, 2028.
We need some more of the cast.
Yes, now this is not all the cast, and this is we've just cast them, they've just met backstage for the very first time. Please welcome Cyclops, Kid Connor. As Professor Charles Xavier, Christopher Abbott. Playing Emma Frost, Samara Weaving. As Rogue, Inde Navarrette. And I'm very proud to introduce as Storm, Maya Boy. There was also someone else who wanted to be here.
Hey, D23. When Kevin told me to show up for X-Men, I just assumed he meant on set. So instead of being with you all there in California, I'm here in Pinewood, in this very lonely soundstage. Kevin and I have been talking for years about maybe joining the Marvel Cinematic Universe. And I think we finally found the perfect film at the perfect time with characters I care very deeply about. So I'm very excited to be playing the role of Magneto. Wrong again? Right. Even better. Nathaniel Milbury. So, I'll be right here. Just waiting for everybody to show up. Enjoy your weekend, D23.
That's right, Adam Driver's joining the cast. We will have more to announce soon, but we wanted to bring everybody out and say hello. Thank you, D23. Thank you so much.